Good morning. Welcome. Hey, I had the opportunity of being here in Vienna, Virginia with Brian Roberts Groups. And today, Greg was a great participant. He's got a lot of the metrics that he's working on, and we expanded those. Greg, you want to tell us a little bit about what you discovered today in today's meeting?
Yeah, so I'm Greg Breeds. I'm the CEO of Direct Incorporated. We're a German-based industrial hardware company that specializes in locks, hinges, and latches for industrial enclosures. And one of my biggest takeaways was easy to implement dashboards. We have all the metrics, we just have to put them into graphical form. And the other really easy one was systems and putting them in place and how to do that quickly, because it's been taking us a little bit too long.
I've found that the average time is 1 to 3 years. And I give a little tip that you can do this in 1 to 2 months.
Yeah.
And it's really valuable to get systems, as we know. It makes you scalable, reduces risk, increases your value, consistency. So I'm glad that that tool you can use. And my name is Dale Richards. I'm a Vistage speaker. I've been on the road a lot. I've spoken over 475 times. I also have a certified valuation firm, and we have value businesses for over hundreds of Vistage members. But most importantly, I want to tell you about Vistage. It is the most important decision you can make as an executive to find and join a Vistage group. My experience has been, I was a chair for 8 years. My group averaged 5 to 10x in revenue, profits, and value by finding a Vistage group. I highly recommend that you find a Vistage group. In fact, Greg tells me he's got somebody who may want to join Brian's groups because of the results. It's a camaraderie type of team effort to solve problems, help you. Find a Vistage group. Best decision you'll ever make.
It's the best decision I've ever made as a business leader.
Thank you, Greg, for supporting us.